How to activate Google Phone Caller ID announcement on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Phone app on your device. Then, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen in the Phone app. Then, click on Settings, which is the second option. After you click on Settings, scroll down in Settings and you will find Caller ID Announcement. Click on it. After that, click on Announce Caller ID at the top. And make sure the dot is in Always. After it's done, you're good to go. Whenever you get the call, Google Phone Caller ID announcement will be turned on. This is how to activate Google Phone Caller ID announcement on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.